For centuries, olive oil has been treasured as one of nature's most valuable gifts, often referred to as liquid gold. Used in cooking, cosmetics, and even medicine, this precious oil has shaped cultures and economies around the world. But have you ever wondered how olives transform into the purest, highest quality olive oil? The journey of olive oil begins in lush Mediterranean groves, where ancient traditions meet modern technology to produce this golden elixir. Every step in the process, from cultivation and harvesting to pressing and bottling, plays a crucial role in determining the oil's quality, flavor, and nutritional value. In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating world of olive oil production. You'll see how olives are grown, the harvesting methods used, and the intricate pressing techniques that create premium extra virgin olive oil. So, let's begin this journey of turning olives into liquid gold. How olives are grown and harvested. Olive trees are known for their resilience and longevity, thriving in Mediterranean climates with hot summers and mild winters. These trees can live for hundreds of years, continuously producing olives year after year. Farmers carefully manage their orchards, ensuring the right balance of water, sunlight, and soil nutrients to cultivate high-quality olives. The process of growing olives starts with selecting the right variety, as different types produce oils with unique flavors and characteristics. Olive trees typically take 3 to 5 years to bear fruit, but once they mature, they provide abundant harvests. Farmers monitor the olives closely, waiting for the perfect moment when they reach peak ripeness. Harvesting olives at the right time is essential for achieving the best oil quality. Olives that are too green may result in a bitter taste, while overripe ones can produce oil with a shorter shelf life. Once the fruit is ready, it's time for the harvest to begin. The traditional versus modern harvesting methods. Olive harvesting has evolved significantly over time, from traditional handpicking methods to modern mechanical harvesting. In many regions, farmers still use hand harvesting techniques, carefully picking each olive to ensure the highest quality. This method is labor-intensive but helps preserve the integrity of the fruit and tree. Another traditional method involves using wooden rakes to gently comb through the branches, allowing the olives to fall onto nets placed beneath the trees. This approach is still widely used for high-quality and organic olive oil production, where every fruit is handled with care. On the other hand, modern mechanized harvesting has revolutionized the industry. Large vibrating machines shake the trees, causing olives to drop into collection nets quickly and efficiently. While this method speeds up the process and reduces labor costs, it requires careful calibration to prevent damaging the olives or the trees. Olive pressing and cold extraction. Processed. Once harvested, olives must be processed quickly to preserve their freshness and prevent oxidation. The first step is cleaning. Fresh olives are thoroughly washed to remove dust, leaves, and debris. After washing, they are crushed into a paste using either traditional stone mills or modern stainless steel crushers. The next crucial step is cold pressing, also known as cold extraction. This process ensures that the oil retains its natural aroma, flavor, and nutrients. The olive paste is slowly mixed to allow oil droplets to merge before being gently pressed to extract the precious liquid. Unlike refined oils, extra virgin olive oil is never exposed to high heat or chemicals, maintaining its purity and health benefits. After pressing, the oil is separated from water and solid residues through centrifugation or natural settling. The result is fresh, pure olive oil, ready to be tested, graded, and bottled for consumers worldwide. Quality control and olive oil grading. Not all olive oils are created equal. To maintain high standards, every batch undergoes strict quality control before reaching the market. The most important factor in grading olive oil is its acidity level. Extra virgin olive oil must have an acidity level of less than 0.8%. Oil is also evaluated based on its aroma, taste, and clarity. Professional tasters assess the oil's flavor profile, checking for fruity, bitter, and peppery notes, which indicate freshness and richness. Any defects, such as rancidity or fermentation, immediately lower the oil's grade. Olive oil is categorized into 3 main grades: extra virgin olive oil, IVU. The highest quality, extracted purely from olives without chemicals or heat. Virgin olive oil, slightly lower quality but still obtained through mechanical extraction. Refined olive oil, processed using heat and chemicals, often blended with virgin oil for taste. The global market and demand for olive oil is one of the most in-demand agricultural products worldwide. The Mediterranean region, including countries like Spain, Italy, and Greece, dominates production, supplying over 70% of the world's olive oil. However, new producers like the USA, Australia, and South America are rapidly growing in the industry. With the rising awareness of healthy eating, consumers are increasingly choosing extra virgin olive oil for its heart-friendly fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. The demand for organic and cold-pressed olive oil has also surged, leading to higher market prices for premium quality oils. Exporting olive oil is a billion-dollar industry, with major buyers including the United States, Europe, and Asia. As consumers continue to seek high-quality, sustainable food products, the olive oil market is expected to grow even further in the coming years. Conclusion and the future of olive oil production. Olive oil production is a blend of tradition, innovation, and dedication. From the careful cultivation of olive trees to the precise extraction techniques used in modern mills, every step plays a vital role in creating the finest liquid gold. As technology advances, the future of olive oil production looks promising. Sustainable farming practices, improved harvesting techniques, and innovations in precision agriculture are helping farmers produce higher quality oil while protecting the environment. With the growing demand for authentic, high-quality extra virgin olive oil, the industry will continue to evolve, offering new opportunities for farmers and businesses worldwide. Whether you're a consumer, a farmer, or an investor, olive oil remains a symbol of health, wealth, and
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.